There are currently 4 main software packages available for the PCR-LE series: SDO9 Power Line Disturbance Immunity Test, SDO12 Avionics Test Software, SDO21 Remote Control Software, and Wavy, which are all from Kikusui, the manufacturer of the PCR-LE series. So now in a bit more detail, SDO21, which is on the screen now, allows a tablet to be used for remote control of all the basic functions. SDO9 is a Power Line Disturbance Immunity testing software, and it's built around IEC61000-4 of the EMC standards. We've got it on the screen now, and as you can see, you select the standard you want and it shows you a nice waveform of what the output's going to look like. Select the right one, and then you can select start, stop, whatever you like, and do all the testing that way. We'll talk about this software package in more detail in a later video. On the screen now is SDO12, the Avionics Test Software, which is built around DO160 and other aviation standards. You select the standard you want here, and then the various options that you're allowed to use within that can be selected here. We're going to use DO160 in a later example in another video. On the screen now is the Wavy software. This enables you to create waveforms of your own choosing. In the example here, I'm starting with 230 volts, and after 100 milliseconds, a step change down to 161 volts. After 10 milliseconds, 92, and after 100 milliseconds, 11.5. As you can see here, you can select the frequency, the new frequency, and very importantly, the phase. You can say what phase this change happens at. Let's download one of these sequences and we'll have a look at it on the scope. And now we run it, so you should see the results of this. There's a nice trace on the scope. And then we can zoom in with the camera and see some of the step changes in more detail.